Uh-oh. Just a little bit of rain coming down here. Oops. How are you? Good, good, dear, good. Anyway, I got to change this thing over to, all right. Yeah, just out for a little, which way are we going to go? We'll go down this way. Just out for a little run. Jesus Christ. Wow. Holy God, dear. Set off her own alarm. Yeah, just, ooh. Dee. Bit of rain, buddy. Anyway. Yeah, so, just kind of around Sydney Mines. Rain is coming down, but we're not gonna dissolve. I mean, water's the universal solvent, but it's not gonna dissolve my hide. Anyway, just getting out for a little jog, walk, get the heart rate up. We're not getting any younger, that's for sure. Just a little bit of exercise on a Saturday afternoon, and we got light rain, but I'll get home before I get too wet. Anyway, sayonara for now.